Real emblem, fake emblem. Thanks, Brooke, for influencing me to do the right thing. I was gonna put in this fake emblem. I don't know why I was talking to you about emblems, but you always listen to me and never leave the room when I'm talking about cars, even boring stuff like emblems. But Brooke didn't tell me what to do. She just gave her input. She told me if this was my car, I would put in the real ones. And I said, okay, Brooke's not even a car person, and for her to say that, I need to get the real one. So I had this in my drawer for about a month, and then I finally ordered the real one. Once I put them side by side, I realized the difference. Like, this one has chrome letters, this one has white letters, which is accurate, which is what it's supposed to look like. And it's just higher quality. This is flat, and this is curved. It curves to the bodywork, which I didn't notice at first until I took the sticker off, the backing off, and put this on my car. I was like, oh, okay. It like contours to the body panel. That little detail right there is really cool. And it's made in Italy. It's actually made in Italy. It said so on the box. See right there, made in Italy. So what I'm gonna do with this fake one is when I get a new laptop, my current laptop is falling apart, but when I get a new laptop, I'll just put this on my laptop. BizQuick, I know you're an emblem guy. If you want an emblem, let me know. I'll mail this to you. Just message me your address again on Facebook, and I'll send you this. And then I'll put this on my laptop whenever I get a new laptop. But yeah, so see, when I got this, I didn't compare it to the real one. I just threw it in my drawer because when I got it, I was like, okay, I'll just get the real one. So there you go, chrome letter versus white. So once I put them, when I got my real one in the mail, I compared it side by side. Then I went outside and said, okay, chrome letters. That's the big one right there. Now my car has all the scorpions. Scorpion, 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 scorpion. That's 8. One more. 9. Scorpion. It's a gloomy day. Hope it doesn't rain. I just cleaned my car last night. Cleaned it up for this emblem video. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I want to enjoy my car being clean. I didn't use wax wipes this time because, you know, I didn't want the paint to be all glossy, because I want this to stick properly. So what I did was I put a little rubbing alcohol on a paper towel, wiped this area off, a wet paper towel with normal water, wiped this off, then dried it up, stuck this on, and you saw my template, how I did it. So there it is. I like it. It's a good looking car. I'm not going to say it's a beautiful, exotic car. It's kind of like a goofy, gaudy, you know, fun car. It's a little gaudy, but that's why I like it. Some people, they don't even order this stripe, and they don't order the scorpion. like the last person who owned this car wanted the stripe but didn't want the scorpion. No, I want everything. Some people don't have this and the scorpion, and that's cool. It's still a good looking car. I know the Abarths have this. This is standard, and then this emblem standard, and the front one is standard. But it's a really nice looking car. I appreciate. Is it out of focus? Let me fix this. Oh, okay, fix itself. I really appreciate the styling of this car, because when you look at this, there's little holes. That's to send air into the turbo. That's really cool. And then all these openings are real. Like, if you look at the Honda Civic Type R, it's a $35,000 car. It has some fake openings. See, I don't like that. I like functional design. See, there's an opening here for the intercooler, and then if you come around, see the little slots right there in the wheel well area? That's to dissipate more heat. Hopefully you could see that. Oh, there it is. See right there. See the little slots? That's really cool. So all these openings are real, no fakey openings. And that's for cooling. So I really like the styling of this car. Fiat wasn't trying to make a class-leading, fastest car in its class car. It is what it is. It's just a cool-looking, kind of a goofy-looking car, but functional. All the styling elements are functional. And that's why I really like the look of this car. It's unique. It's very unique. And then when you come out to the back here, it has a diffuser and dual tailpipes. The reason it sounds so good is there's no muffler. So there it is. I needed this Scorpion to complete the look of my car. It's a good looking car, I think. I like it. There's my car's brother right there. We'll take a look at it in a second. But you know when you're like parking OCD like me? See how I'm parking OCD right now? Do you do this? You're like walking away from your car and then you keep looking back at it. You just keep doing this. That's how I know I really like the look of this car. I always look back at it. So there it is. Don't rain. I need a nice day today. I want this to dry properly. So there it is. We'll take a look at this. We'll look at my brother's car here in a second. Even the non-Abarths look really good, I think. And they're really cheap right now. In the used market, you could get a non-Abarth for like $6,000. But you could get one with around 80,000 miles for $5 or $6,000 now. Here's my car's brother that I always see. Still a good looking car. Even the non-Abarth edition is still a really good looking car. Obviously doesn't have the side intercooler openings, non-turbo, but really nice. Probably works here. Drive tastefully. I like that. Smaller spoiler right there on the top, and a single tailpipe, no diffuser. Parking OCD.